Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create collections in Shopify. Collections are a fantastic way to organize your products into categories, making it easier for customers to browse and find exactly what they're looking for in your store. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and head over to shopify.com. Once you're on the homepage, log in to your Shopify account using your credentials. This will take you to your admin dashboard, which is the central hub for managing your entire online store. After you've logged in, look over to the left side of your screen where you'll see the main navigation menu. From there, click on Products. This section houses everything related to your store's inventory, including individual products, variants, and of course, collections. Under the Products menu, you'll notice an option labeled Collections. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring you to the Collections page where you can view all your existing collections and manage them. On the top right corner of this page, you'll see a button that says Add Collection. Click on it to start creating your new collection. Now, you'll be taken to a new page where you can set up the details for your collection. The first thing you need to do is input a title for your collection. For this example, let's say you're creating a collection for t-shirts, so you would type t-shirts in the title field if you'd like. You can also add a description below the title to give customers more information about what they'll find in this collection, though this step is optional. Next, scroll down to the collection type section. Here, you'll want to set it to manual. This gives you full control over which products appear in this collection, rather than having Shopify automatically add products based on conditions. On the right side of the screen, you'll notice an image section. This is where you can upload a cover image that will represent your collection on your storefront, making it more visually appealing to customers. Now comes the important part, adding products to your collection. Scroll down to the Products section and click on Browse. This will open a window showing all the products currently in your store. Since you're creating a t-shirts collection, you'll want to select all the t-shirt products from your inventory. Simply click on each product you want to include, and once you've made your selections, click Add. This adds those products into your new collection. After you've added all your desired products, make sure everything looks correct. Review the title, description, image, and product list one more time to ensure accuracy. Once you're satisfied with your setup, click the Save button at the top or bottom of the page. This finalizes your collection and makes it active in your store. Now, navigate back to the Collections page by clicking on Collections in the left menu again. Here, you'll see your newly created collection listed alongside any others you may have. You've successfully organized your products, making your store more navigable and customer-friendly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.